Tired of wrestling with email attachment limits when you need to share your biggest files? Let's unlock the power of Dropbox to send those substantial documents, hefty videos, or massive datasets with absolute ease. It's simpler than you think. Step 1. Make sure you have a Dropbox account. If not, it's quick and free to sign up at Dropbox.com. Once you're logged in, navigate to your Dropbox folder. This is where you'll upload the large file you want to share. Simply drag and drop your large file into any folder within your Dropbox. You'll see the progress bar as it uploads. Don't worry, Dropbox handles big files beautifully. Once your file is uploaded, hover over it and click the Share button. This will open a sharing menu now. Click on Create Link or Copy Link. Depending on what you see, this generates a special web address. You can then paste this link into an email, a chat message, or anywhere you need to send it. Anyone with the link can access and download your file. No Dropbox account required on their end. For even more control, you can click Link Settings. To adjust permissions, you can set an expiration date for the link or even password protect your shared file for added security. And that's it. You've just sent a large file using Dropbox, bypassing email limitations and ensuring your collaborators or clients get what they need instantly. So next time you have a massive file, remember Dropbox link, sharing, send your biggest files with ease.